How's Dora doing?
Doing really well.
Yeah. Didn't show poorly she was. Dora!
She's looking for berries. You looking for berries, darling?
There's not many here. We'll find some more.
Hugo! Hugo! Come on! Good boy! Good boy, Alfie. What a good boy. You've got to test your recall every now and again, you know. Come here. Hello. You having fun? It's not so windy today, is it, little one? Hey, is it? Ooh, hello, bear.
It makes a change having something like a Jack Russell with you rather than all that.
Yeah, it's nice to have different breeds. Well, this is the little dog gang, isn't it? My little dog gang. Until Bracken gets a bit too big to be in the gang. Bracky bear. Hey, hiya. Don't jump. I follow my leader, isn't it, Alf? Bracken Martha doesn't want to play. Look at you two. Oh, the 3 upstairs, yay! You crazy hounds. Bracky, come on. Good girl. I don't know. Hey. Come on, boys. 2 boys. Maisie tomorrow and Friday.